Himalayan pink sea salt. Okay, now you put an egg in there. Now, what is the egg for? I thought it was to I thought that. Oh, so the bread is wet.
Like a binder, yes.
Okay, so I think that's what it is. The egg and the bread hold the patties together.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, y'all, I'm putting on some gloves because I'm about to get in here and mix the stuff up. Okay, so you just like this.
Mm-hmm.
So this probably make about like four patties. I think.
Depends on how big you want.
Yeah, because what is this about? Was it a pound of ground beef?
Mm-hmm.
It was grass-fed ground beef.
97.3.
97% lean, 3% fat. Come on, y'all. It's healthy over here. It smells good.
Okay, now depending on how big you want the patties.
Now, I was watching my girl Rachel Ray, and what she do is she do her meat like this, kind of make it even in the bottom of the pan, and then she score it with a knife, and then that's kind of like how you get even patties the best you can. We're gonna use this fork since it's right here.
Are you going to 4?
Mm-hmm. I mean, I guess you could do 6 or whatever, or depending on like the size you wanted them. And then you just take out that little triangle the best you can and make it into a little patty. Is that too thick? I mean, I think that's kind of good. You know, if you don't want it to
on the edge.
Round it.
Alright. Now, take it. Olive oil is for flavor.
On both sides?
Yes. Okay, let's scoot it over. Then.
So do that for all of them.
Mm-hmm.
These would be real good on like the grill too. Oh, that one's pretty round.
They're great on the grill.
Yeah. That one look kind
Olive oil helps it non-stick.
to like the pan.
Yeah, you don't need much oil.
Could you do these in the oven?
Yeah,
Like say you
air fryer.
Yeah, like if you ain't had time to put them on the skillet.
Yep.
Then y'all could also, okay, so I made them into 4s, but say y'all had like kids, y'all can make them into 4s and then take the 4s and cut those in half. And then maybe those are like more for a kid size. But you know, you can eyeball it and tell. Some people like thicker burgers, some people like them smaller. Oh, that's kind of another thing. Okay, if you roll it in a ball, then kind of flatten it out. Then it's kind of circle a little bit. I feel like I'm at Good Burger.
Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. Can I take your order?
Okay.
Now we gotta just put them in the refrigerator until you get ready to
Cook them?
yeah.
Would you cover them with plastic wrap?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, y'all. That's how y'all make my Daddy Famous burgers. We back to cook them. Okay, so how long you cook it on each side?
Depending on how you like to do
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna wait for it to brown up on each side. And like 3 to 4 minutes.
3 to 4 minutes on medium. Well, I guess depending on your stove.
Yeah. Love cooking.
Toasting up some sourdough bread. Delicious. Okay, y'all, when cooking it, this is what you're looking for. You're looking for it to start to brown up around the edges at the bottom. Okay, y'all, that's after the flip. That looks good.
Gotta find the cheese.
And this is dairy-free cheddar cheese. And we're just gonna wait for it to melt. This is major key for melting dairy-free cheese. Putting the top on it traps that heat in, and it helps it melt a whole lot faster. So remember that. Vegan mayo. Yeah. Oh, that looks good.
There you have it.
See that? That looks delicious. Oh yeah. All you need is a pickle on the side. Oh, it's official. It's official up in here, y'all. Okay, y'all, we're gonna end it off with a pickle on the side. Yes. Okay, y'all, if y'all try this recipe, let us know in the comments, or let us know what you add or subtract. And thank you all for watching.